Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Clubhouse app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on settings, then come to next step here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on your name, you just click on it here. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just come here to recently shut in here, click in this sign here. So then you click here on yes here, then it's going to enable with you here, like you see you hit recently shut in here on your Clubhouse app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.